நோற்று சுவர்க்கம் புகுகின்ற அம்மனாய் மாற்றமும் தாராரோ வாசல் திறவாதார். நாற்றத்துழாய்முடி நாராயணன் நம்மால் போற்றப்பறைதரும் புண்ணியனான். பண்டொரு நாள் கூற்றத்தின் வாய்விழுந்த கும்பகர்ணனும் தோற்றும் உனக்கே பெருந்துயில்தான் தந்தானோ. ஆற்ற அனந்தலுடையாய் அருங்கலமே தேற்றமாய் வந்து திரவேலோர் எம்பாவாய். This is the 5th pasuram in the list of waking up her friends. In the total list of 30 pasurams, this is the 10th. Whereas from pasuram 6 to 15, where she is waking up her friends of different types, this is type 5. And incidentally, this girl is a great devotee of Rama and Ramayana. So here she tells, Notru Shuvargam Pugugindra Ammanai. My dear friend, you have observed the vratam along with us for all these days. Now do not be lethargic. Notru Shuvargam Pugugindra Ammanai. Suvargam is the Sanskrit word Swargam. Swarga in our general parlance is the place where Ramba, Urvashi, Tilotama, Ramba dance and Indra is very happy. But Alvars do not speak about Swargam that way. For them, Vaikuntham is Swargam, the place where there is no karma, the place from which there is no return. Nasapunaravartate, nasapunaravartate. That is Swargam for them. No true Swargam Pugugindra Ammanai. By observing this vratam, my dear friend, one day or the other, you will attain Paramapadam Vaikuntham. No true Swargam Pugugindra Ammanai. Matramum Tararo Vasal Tiravadar. Why don't you come and open the door for us? Whom are we going to sing praises about? The girl asks, for which Andal tells, Natrathulai Mudi Narayanan. We are now going to sing praises of the one whose hair locks have been effervescent because of him adorning the beautiful Tulasi garland. Tulasi is Lord's special wife. So he keeps adorning himself with Tulasi. Natrathulai Mudi Narayanan. When Rukmani had written a love letter to Krishna, Shrutva Gunan Bhuvana Sundara Shrinvatante Nirvishya Karana Vivaraihi Haratongatapam Rupam Drisham Drishimatam Akhilarthalabam Tvai Achyuta Avishati Chittam Apatrapam Me. Now, she is very, very, very vigilant. Now she is waiting when Krishna will come. That day, when Shishupala was waiting to get married to Rukmani, she was a bit worried. That is when Tulasi Gandham Panchajanyasya Nadaha. She could smell Tulasi and there came Krishna. Natrathulai Mudi Narayanan. Aren't we going to sing praises of Narayana, Krishna who adorns himself with Tulasi? Natrathulai Mudi Narayanan. Namman Potrappareidarum Punniyanal. He is the one who is going to be praised by us. Pandorunal Kutrattin Vaivizhunda Kumbhakarnanum. That day you remember when Rama had to get and redeem Sita back from the clutches of Ravana. Ravana dispatched his very powerful brother Kumbhakarna on the warfield. Rama fought with Kumbhakarna, and while Kumbhakarna was dying, it seems he called Rama and said, Hey Rama, I have left a huge property behind me. Distribute it and you become my advocate. To which Rama asked, what is the biggest property you have? Kumbhakarna said, sleep. Sleep is the biggest property. A lot of you may agree. Many of them will not have proper sleep in the night and will be loitering hither and thither in the night. Here he tells sleep is a very good property. Now Rama tells, see, property can be distributed. You have to tell me the proportion, what percentages you want to give. So Kumbhakarna said, 99% of the sleep has to go to a girl in Pasuram 10 who will be living during the times of Andal in the Pandyan kingdom. So, oh my dear friend, Andal now tells, I know why you are sleeping so well. Because you have been blessed by Kumbhakarna's property called sleep. Pandorunal Kutrattin Vaivizhunda Kumbhakarnanum, that Kumbhakarna who lost in the war with Rama, Totrum, he lost. Unake Perunthuyildan Tandano. Didn't he give that sleep to you? So, Totru Munake Perunthuyildan Tandano, Acha Anantaludayai Arunkalami. Now, there is one particular incident which I remember of a great Acharya who was an expert in delivering Tirupavai lectures called Tirukudandai Andavan. He used to state 99% of the sleep was given to this girl. Where was the remaining 1% given? So Kumbhakarna said, Rama, bestow this 1% sleep on those of them who are listening to Tirupavai. That is why at times we may feel when we listen to lectures on our Itihasas and Puranas, we will fall asleep because it is Kumbhakarna's blessing. So Pandurunal Kutrathin Vaivil இந்த கும்பகர்ணனும் தோற்றும் உனக்கே பெருந்துயில்தான் தந்தானோ ஆற்ற அனந்தலுடையாய் அருங்கலமே தேற்றமாய் வந்து திரவேலோர் எம்பாவாய். Just because I have said don't come, jump out of your bed and come. தேற்றமாய் வந்து திரவேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In Sri Ramavataram, when Rama had promised Sugriva that he will help him get the kingdom, he did so. Sugriva in return promised of the monkey army, which he didn't do. At that point in time, Rama sent his brother Lakshmana to summon Sugriva. While Lakshmana goes, Tara is being sent so that Lakshmana doesn't meet any harm to Sugriva. So while Tara walks, she walks with disrobed clothes. Sapraskhalanti madavihvalakshim pralamba kanchi guna hemasutram salakshana lakshmana sannidhanam jagamatara namitangayeshtihi. Lakshmana was a bit astonished and he put his head down. Now, my dear friend, like how Tara came and embarrassed Lakshmana, do not come like that. Put yourself in order and then come. Tetramai vandu thiravelor embavai, tells Andal in this pasuram.
ததியனிதானிதி நாதிரு தொந்திரு ததியனிதானிதி ரிதீம் ரிதீம் நாதிரு தொந்திரு ததியனிதானிதி ரிதீம் ரிதீம் ரிநாதிரு தொந்திரு ததியனிதானிதி.
பக்தி மார்க்கத்துக்கு வித்திட்டது யார்? தமிழ் மொழியை வளர்த்தது யார்? நாம் கற்க வேண்டியது யாது? இவ்வனைத்துக்கும் விடை ஆழ்வார்களும் அவர்கள் கொடுத்த திவ்ய பிரபந்தமுமே ஆகும். ஆழ்வார்களின் வாழ்க்கை வரலாறும் அவர்கள் அருளிச் செய்த பாசுரங்களில் உள்ள அழகும் அந்த அழகுக்கு மேலும் அழகு சேர்க்கும் வியாக்கியானங்களும் அந்த பாசுரங்களால் பொலிவு பெறும் திவ்ய தேசங்களும் இவ்வனைத்தையும் ஒருங்கிணைக்கும் வகையே அபிநவ பாடசாலா வழங்கும் பிரபந்த சாரபோதனி, a comprehensive e-course. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு kindly visit www.desikadaya.org/aep. வாரீர் பக்தி தமிழில் இணைவோம்.